Hey guys, it's Sinjin and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, we're gonna be making nothing. In today's video, we're gonna be making the Crab Rangoon. Is it Rangoon or Rangoon? Alright, so you'll be needing some cream cheese. I got the Philadelphia brand because it's almost as long as my last name. You'll be needing some green onions, aka scallions, aka Megan the Scallion, your wonton wrappers. So you'll be needing some crab meat. I got the real one and the fake one. The choice is yours, honestly. And then your seasonings. Alright, so I went ahead and put in the cream cheese into a bowl. This kind of looks like vanilla ice cream. Alright, step 2, you're gonna be chopping up your crab meat. So this is what it looks like once it's all chopped up. I'm gonna go ahead and dump that into the cream cheese and chop up your green onions now. Go ahead and mix the 3 ingredients together. Oh my god, this shit is so thick. In a separate bowl, I just mixed my seasonings together. So I have my sugar, my black pepper, my salt, and a pinch of onion powder. Mix that together. Alright, so go ahead and pour in that mixed seasoning into your batch. And go ahead and mix it together. Amazing. Okay, she's a wrapper. And then I have a beaten egg to seal these wrappers. Alright, so half a tablespoon of your filling. Dip some egg. You're gonna put these around the corners and the sides. This is not it, sis. So I've seen some people do it many different ways. The easiest way is probably the triangle, but I'm gonna try to make it look presentable today. I'm gonna go ahead and do the typical flower. I'll make sure you seal everything. Alright, sister girl, there you have it. Stop moving. Oh. I'm over it. Oh my god. Okay, we're just gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna leave it like that. Alright, so I'm only gonna do maybe like 8 of these because it's literally just me eating it. So, alright, now that they're all wrapped, I'm ready to fry them. Let's put in some oil. Pretty. Alright, to test to see if the oil's ready, I just ripped a little piece of the wonton. If it starts frying, it's ready to go. Oh, don't forget, these don't take that long to fry, so make sure you're watching them. So I originally planned to make flowers, but they end up looking like windmills. So go ahead and give them a little flip. They're almost ready. Ow. I'm telling you, look, the windmill. And there you have it, your Crab Rangoon. You can serve it with any kind of dipping sauce if you like. Don't be fooled, I just put it there just for decoration. So anyways, you have your sauce, you have your wontons, you're ready to eat them. Enjoy, have a great time. Love you bitches. Alright guys, that's the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And let me know what you think about the recipe in the comments below. And I will see you guys next time. Wow.